In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play split fiction with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you all of the ways in which you will be able to do co-op in split fiction. You have two main ways of doing this. So the first one is going to be the most convenient one and the easiest to access. All that you need is an additional controller, and you can do this by choosing Play Local. As the name suggests, this will work if both of you are using the same console, sharing the same screen, and you have one additional controller. So all that your friend has to do is connect the additional controller to your console or PC, and they will be able to join. You will be here by default as player 1. They will join by pressing the respective button on the controller as long as it was connected and detected by your platform, and you can proceed to play the game. This is useful, like I said, if you have a brother or someone who is coming over to visit you and both of you can play together. All that you need is an additional controller. So go to Play Local, press the button, and start. Now, if you are unable to do this and you want to play online, then choose the secondary option, and now you will find the options to invite your friends. So at the bottom here, you will be able to choose invite friends, and you can either invite them through the specific network where you are playing, so for example PlayStation, or through the EA friends list. You will see them here. Once they are online, you send the request, they will get a notification to accept. Now, the good thing about this is that even if only one of you owns the game, as long as your friend grabs the friend pass from the respective store, so they go over to Steam, for example, or the PlayStation Store, and they grab the free to access friend pass, as long as you own the game, you will still be able to invite them to play. So only one of you needs to own Split Fiction so that both of you can play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Split Fiction with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.